go, go. Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl KOKO Chanel. You're new here. Welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give can't be replaced. So go now.
Today's video is basically, it's just gonna be a little vloggy vlog. You know, we'll spend the day with me. And then we have Chase on the phone. Chase, say hi. She is on a train back to her home village. Chase made me get up at 7:30 in the morning. And I'm literally half asleep right now, but I'm trying to stay up so I can get some editing done and then go to the gym. So I'm gonna see y'all on my way to the gym or at the gym, I don't know. But I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Hey y'all, I'm on my way to the gym now. I'm walking because the gym's not far from my house at all. This time, I work out and I haven't been to the gym in so long. So I'm a little nervous, We got to do what it is, you know, because maybe it's January, New Year. We need to get back productive because I've been slacking these past 2 months. And I'm gonna catch y'all when I actually get there, so. Hey y'all, as y'all can see, I made it home. And pretend straight. Actually, I'm gonna start editing again, and then I might make Chase thumbnail for her. Depends how I feel. I said depends how I feel, so she better not depend on me. Hey, y'all want my iPad again? Right now, I'm gonna clean the downstairs bathroom because my mommy said if I clean it, she'll give me money. Okay, I gotta get in the shower and get ready, and then I'm not gonna get ready. I'm just gonna shower, throw on some clothes because I'm not looking cute for no one. And then I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm at the house. Y'all, I'm on my nail appointment. So like I'm also getting my toes done. Make sure to look ahead.
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. Times I read the news, this is
as you could tell, I'm home. These are my nails. I don't know if you saw them. Let me show you the other hand. They're so cute. That's on my toes. And right now I'm walking my doggy. Walking my doggy boo. And yeah, this vlog might not end today because I may be going somewhere tomorrow. I don't know for sure yet, but I might be going to look at night. So if I do end up going, then that's also being recorded. But make sure you go book with Valencia. Her ad will be on the screen, and her Instagram will also be in the description box below. You just click on it if you need to, because baby, Mom said she ate down and she's affordable. Like, just make sure. Like, there should be nothing else I need to say. Just book with her. Point blank, period. Okay? Bye, y'all. Okay. Hey, y'all. I'm back. So I just got out the showers. And that basically gonna show you my little flat hair. Look at it. I already opened it, if you can't tell. Because I didn't know what it was. It came with a thermal glove. And then, but look at it. There's a lock thing. I didn't know that. Like, you close it, you lock it, and it doesn't open. And you put it down. It's real cute. Real cute. I'm so excited to use it. So if I do end up going somewhere tonight, this will be used. Okay, we will see how well it works. This, I heard so many good reviews, and I'm so excited to use it. So thank you, mommy. I'm gonna eat my leftover Chipotle burrito from last night, and I'm gonna try to get myself to edit, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all later. Okay, hey y'all, I just got out the shower. It's currently 6:38 p.m. The game I'm supposed to start at 7:30. Might not make it, but they're at 7:30. But we gonna make it. We gonna make it. Hopefully before 8 o'clock. But yeah, I'm finna get ready. No model skin stuff and like touch my body. And I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear and do my hair. And we're gonna be using this to iron my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all sometime then. Bye-bye.
Never sober, never choking, always smoking dope. Fucking if they getting over, got them under coke because the kid the coldest. Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling.
Oh, okay.
Say hi, y'all. Say hi. Hi. The change up. Y'all, these niggas are being so like ghetto and hoodlums. Baby, this supposed to be a game night. What is, I don't see no games. Where's the games?
I'm 2 hours late and they haven't even started yet. Like,
Exactly. It's already 9 o'clock. It was supposed to start at 7:30. What happened?
calm down.
And it better not be no type of noise. I'm not playing. Chase. I'm so tired of this freaking noise. Every room is deep, bro. Like, let me show y'all. I just want to look how deep the hallway is. That's where it starts.
Yeah, it's too deep.
That's where it starts.
Yeah.
Oh, you got pay me. My face right here.
Vlog. What's up, gangy?
But just peep how deep the hallway is. That's where it starts. That's how you know.
Even
the rooms are deeper. Like,
that part.
the
boys' room, they playing. No, my kid is fucking.
Let's show. Let's show.
I'm thinking y'all house tour. Come on.
Excuse me. Oh, no one in there.
Camera, open mic room type shit. All right, moving on.
That worth millions. Come on, guys.
just being a loner? Where did you go from? You don't want to come inside? She's looking for her child. It's Chelsea. Hi vlog. Welcome to the channel. We're at a party. I don't know how to play this. Alright. That's all. Oh, in a kitchen. That's the boys. We're not gonna go there. They're probably safe. Yeah. Lead our way. Oh, we got a bathroom. Nice bathroom. We got a bathroom. Oh, it's not very nice anymore because we see it. Yeah. What's up? We're back. That's the end of the house tour. Yeah. Bye, y'all. She's, I don't know she works. And then the rest of them are playing games. I made a good hot dog function. Put cheese on your hot dogs, y'all. It tastes so good. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can tell, I just got home, and you know, it was pretty fun. You fun as fuck. Excuse me. Oh, mumble under his breath. Boy, get on my face. But yeah, came home. It's like 12. It's 12 something, and we're gonna do an unboxing. But as you tell, my hair's still bone straight. I'm just flat iron, and if y'all know, y'all seen the blonde wig in person, not on TikTok, okay? After a few hours, it's puffy and starts like getting curly and shit. But this got my look. I got home, and we finna open it. These are instructions. Another glove. This right here is the edge color. Don't play. The stuff is on the inside. I think that's going to be the end of today's video. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. And turn the post notification bell to be updated anytime I post. And make sure to watch my previous videos. And yeah, bye y'all. I'll see y'all next time.